Good morning, Madison Eagles. This is Mrs. Hesterman with a special announcement from the MCS Library. That's right, we have your Spring Break Reading Challenge results, and you have patiently been waiting for those. I'm so proud of you. You did such a great job on this. I know you were a little disappointed about the fact that you didn't get to go anywhere for spring break. I know many families probably had some plans before the coronavirus hit. But rest assured, I think you were able to go some great places over spring break in books, and I hope that worked out well for you and that felt good to go somewhere. I know it feels good for me to go somewhere in a book. I've been in Colorado for at least 5 chapters, so it's been really, really nice. But enough about my reading life. Let's talk about your reading life. Let's look at kindergarten. It is your first reading challenge and you did so well. I'm so proud of you. If I could give you an imaginary scratch and sniff, what would I give you? Oh, I know what I would give you. I would give you one that smells like Coca-Cola, like a pop, or maybe Pepsi or cherry Coke, which is my absolute favorite. Our top readers was Mrs. Satterfield's class, and the crowd goes wild. Top reader in her class was Joshua Brown. The top reader in Mrs. Ray's class was Eli Lesko. Congratulations, guys. You did a great job. Moving on to first grade. The winner for that challenge was Mrs. Payne's class. The top reader for her class was Ellie Schwab. And the top reader for Mr. Gilbert's class was Caden Snyder. Well done. Let's look at second grade here. Oh yeah, this was very, very interesting. In second grade, Mrs. Brooks' class won the challenge. Let me hear you shout. Yeah, you deserve to do that because this was a different course than we normally see. So that was kind of exciting. The top reader in her class was Eli Sloniker. He did a great job. And the top reader in Mrs. Johnson's class was Adriana Franklin. Well done. Now, let's look at third grade. We always look at third grade. Third grade has had a competition between the two classes for as long as I can remember. And here we go. Mrs. Heater's class actually won the challenge. You can shout about that. You can feel good about that. And Audrey Billingsley won her top reader for her class. And then the top reader in Mrs. Crabtree's class was Natty Daniel. Very well done, guys. Let's look at fourth grade. All right, fourth grade, great job. Mrs. Siner's class won, with the top reader being Hannah Brown in her class. The top reader in Mrs. Hawthorne's class being Lydia Roseberry. Great job. So proud of both of you. Fifth grade. All right, fifth grade. Mrs. Danick's class won the challenge with the top reader in her class being Jack DeBoard. And the top reader, not surprisingly, was Ruth Daniel. She seems to be the top reader every challenge we have. She does a great job every time. And in sixth grade, the winner of the challenge for sixth grade was Mrs. Leach's class, with our top reader being Lena Lesko in her class, and then in Miss Stewart's class, Aiden Hauser. So well done, Eagles. Couple of trivia things I wanted to share with you. There were 3 top readers that read more than anybody in the school, and those are Hannah Brown. She was the top reader in the whole school. She read 970 minutes over break. The second top reader was Abigail Lesko with 935 minutes over break. And I love this. Not that I don't love the other 2, because I really do, but this really excites me. In first grade, we have the third top reader in the whole school was Ellie Schwab with 832 minutes. So well done. I'm really proud of you guys. And that is all. Oh, no, it's not. I have one more thing to tell you. What's the prize? Well, I can't tell you. I actually can't tell you. And the reason I can't tell you is we are still working out the details. It's going to be a big deal. And you'll understand when I finally get to tell you what it is, why it's taking me a little bit longer than I want it to tell you what it is. But I just have to get all my ducks in a row to make sure it can happen, and I think it's going to. So when I know for sure, I will send you an email and let you know. I need you to know this though before I go. I miss you guys so much. I really do. I hope you're doing well, and I love hearing from you. So don't hesitate to send me an email or a video. Sometimes I get videos from the kids. It just makes me so happy to see you. So don't hesitate sending those, and I miss you, and have a great, great reading day.